Welcome back to another fast meal prep hack. So in today's episode, I'm going to do a vegan cheesecake. It is November, we're getting close to Thanksgiving, so let's go ahead and start. So when it comes to building that vegan delicious cheesecake, go ahead and set your oven at 325 degrees. Let that go ahead and preheat. And while that's preheating, you're going to go ahead and start with the ingredients. So first thing you want is a graham cracker crust. So the one I'm holding right here is an Oreo crust. Oreos is vegan, okay? Now, with this meal prep, I like to add that this is a treat, okay? This is mostly for like Thanksgiving. We're coming into the holidays, all right? But one of the benefits is that I will have the macros into the description box down below. So if you're going to have these treats, you can still count it, all right? But I'm using an Oreo crust for this particular dish. But if you don't like Oreos, you can always replace it with a graham cracker crust, okay? And this is vegan as well. You could use either or. Now, just a little secret, I will be using this cracker crust for another meal prep hack, so stay tuned for that. But I want to use this Oreo one. Now you want to get a mixing bowl, as well have a handheld blender, all right? And then when it comes to the ingredients, we're going to have some vegan butter, some whole wheat flour, stevia, sugar-free syrup, some almond milk yogurt, lime, vanilla extract, and then your vegan cream cheese, all right? You need about three of these, and some salt, okay? So when doing this dish, you're just gonna add all the ingredients inside that mixing bowl. So let's go ahead. You want to put in the butter, flour, stevia, syrup. Get that in there. With the salt, just a pinch. Then our vegan cream cheese, the main ingredient for the cheesecake. And one of the things I like to say is that one of my favorite desserts is vegan cheesecake. Well, it's cheesecake in general, but when I first went vegan, it was something that I had to give up until vegan cream cheese came out and I was able to recreate this dish. So I'm so happy that Tofiti actually made some vegan cream cheese to make one of my favorite dishes a reality. Alright, so let's go ahead and start the blending. So always remember, put it in first. Don't start it. You want to put it in first, then start. Start with a low speed, okay? Not super hot. And once it starts blending more, then you can start speeding it up. This will avoid a lot of splattering. Just like that. Now, first thing you want to do is taste it, all right? Tastes pretty good. I'm just going to add just a small dash, a little bit more stevia. Just a small dash. And this is just to increase the sweetness, all right? Try again. It's good. All right. So now what we're going to do is take our batter and we're going to spread it evenly onto the pad. Into the crust. It's like this, y'all. It's like that, y'all. Like this, y'all. It's like that, y'all. Like this, y'all. All right. So the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and open the oven. Place some aluminum foil. Just place some aluminum foil there to avoid spilling, and then you're going to go ahead and place the cheesecake in. Go ahead and close that. And then you want to set the timer to 90 minutes. So where's the timer? There it is. There we go. All right. And now we're going to weigh. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and check out this cheesecake. So it is ready. Looks just like this. Let's pull it out. And then what we're going to do is just let it cool for 24 hours, okay? If you want the best taste, let it cool for 24 hours. So we're going to just let this cool down first here, and then we're going to go ahead and place it in the refrigerator, and then the next day, we're going to pull it out and then try it out. Hey, what's up, y'all? So I just finished the vegan cheesecake, okay? Now, I had to wait 24 hours. I waited. It's nice and cool. And I'm telling you, you want to wait. It's worth the wait. I know once you get it and you smell it, you want to taste it really bad. But I'm telling you, if you want to get that perfect taste, wait those 24 hours and then have it that morning or in the afternoon. But here, how it looks like. It's already nice and cool, ready to eat. Super good, super delicious. And then right here is the actual pie, alright? Looks a little messy, alright? But if you're serving this, you could definitely just take these edges and pull them off. And then you could take them, like you can pull them off if you really want to clean it up a tad bit. And then you can put it in another plate. That's sort of up to you. But this is how it looks like all together. And some of the things you can do, you can use this right here if you want to save like some calories. This is by Stevia. It's a chocolate syrup. So as you see right here, you could put this on top, just like that. All right, y'all. So let me go ahead and try it out. It's extremely good and tasty, really good. Well, with that said, if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment down below. Also, when it comes to macronutrients, that will be in the description box down below. But again, this is how you make a vegan cheesecake. My name is Corinne Sutton, and I'll speak to you soon. Peace.